And good Wednesday from the Weather Center. I'm meteorologist Todd Clausen. It's a Storm Team 6 alert day for the potential of an isolated shower north of Indianapolis this morning. More of a widespread rain this evening. In between, plenty of dry hours and lots of sunshine. It's not a bad day at all. It's a warm one as well with a high of 76 degrees. But as for the rain, TrueCast shows again a brief shower north very early, then partly cloudy skies throughout the afternoon hours. This evening by 6 o'clock, we're watching a line of storms come through. Not expecting any severe weather, but some heavier downpours. The rain will be out of here by Thursday morning's commute, but a whole new air mass will be in place. Look for skies to become partly cloudy throughout the day tomorrow, but the temperatures, they will struggle, eventually a high of only 61 degrees.